If you've ever dreamt of mastering the art of real estate wealth creation without putting your own hard-earned money at risk, then you've landed on the perfect video. In today's comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the revolutionary Robert Kiyosaki strategy of harnessing the immense power of other people's money, or OPM, to catapult yourself into the world of financial abundance. Welcome back to Wealthway, your premier destination for valuable financial insights, strategic investments, and empowering business motivation. Before diving in, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for a steady stream of knowledge that will shape your financial future. Now, let's embark on this transformative journey. The concept of utilizing OPM might seem mysterious to some, so let's demystify it. OPM stands for other people's money, and it's a paradigm shift that Robert Kiyosaki firmly endorses. He passionately believes that anyone, regardless of their current financial status, can unlock the doors to success in real estate by strategically investing OPM instead of their own capital. But before we plunge into the details, let's acquaint ourselves with the visionary behind this strategy. Robert Kiyosaki is not just a name but a pioneer in the realm of financial literacy. Kiyosaki is best known for his game-changing book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, which underscores the critical importance of financial education and the transformative potential of investing in income-generating assets. Kiyosaki challenges a fundamental notion that many of us have held dear, the belief that owning property inherently makes it an asset. Instead, he boldly declares that it's the cash flow that distinguishes real estate investments as true assets, not just the appreciation of the properties of value over time. At the heart of Robert Kiyosaki's financial doctrine lies a fundamental distinction between two forms of debt: bad debt and good debt. Bad debt, often represented by the heavy burden of mortgages on primary residences or the stifling weight of excessive credit card balances, mercilessly drains your financial resources, leaving you with dwindling assets and limited maneuverability. It's a financial anchor that keeps you tethered to a cycle of repayments, restricting your ability to grow and invest. In stark contrast, Kiyosaki champions the concept of good debt, a financial strategy that doesn't just preserve your resources, but actively multiplies them. This is the precise rationale behind his coining of the term good debt, to describe the practice of employing OPM in the realm of real estate. Good debt, as told by Kiyosaki, is the financial instrument that breathes life into your financial aspirations. It empowers you to leverage the financial capabilities of others to secure income-generating assets, particularly in the lucrative domain of real estate. Instead of depleting your own financial reservoirs, good debt allows you to tap into the wealth of other investors or institutions to acquire properties that can yield substantial returns. In essence, good debt is a strategic catalyst for financial growth, a means by which you can venture into the world of real estate with the backing of resources that aren't exclusively your own. It's a powerful tool that can transform your financial landscape by providing the liquidity needed to participate in potentially lucrative ventures. Through the use of good debt, you can embark on a journey of wealth creation where your investments generate a steady stream of income, and your financial resources remain intact and poised for further opportunities. This strategy, espoused by Kiyosaki, reflects a shift from traditional thinking that often regards all forms of debt as detrimental, and instead, it champions a mindset that acknowledges the pivotal role of good debt in achieving financial prosperity. So, as you embark on your financial journey, remember that not all debts are created equal. The concept of good debt, as advocated by Robert Kiyosaki, opens doors to new possibilities, enabling you to achieve your financial goals while preserving and multiplying your resources. It's a paradigm shift that can empower you to navigate the world of real estate and beyond with confidence and financial agility. To truly grasp the power of OPM, it's essential to understand how the wealthy, including Kiyosaki, Donald Trump, Mark Zuckerberg, and Elon Musk, leverage debt as a tool for wealth accumulation. For them, debt isn't a financial burden, but a strategic instrument that minimizes tax obligations while facilitating substantial income. Financial education serves as the key that unlocks the door to passive income and riches. Unfortunately, traditional schooling often neglects to equip us with the essential money management knowledge. This omission underscores the necessity for us to proactively seek financial education. Now, let's explore practical strategies for applying OPM in the real estate arena, just as Kiyosaki ardently advises. Kiyosaki's playbook reveals various sources of OPM that savvy investors can tap into, including banks, private lenders, seller financing, other investors, government tax incentives, and the steady cash flow generated by operational properties. Kiyosaki's strategy is elegantly straightforward. It entails identifying promising real estate opportunities, crafting a robust business plan, and attracting investors who are eager to finance the property acquisition. Once the property appreciates in value, you can execute a strategic refinance, repay your investors, and maintain ownership, thus continuing to generate profits. One of the key advantages of this approach is the potential for substantial tax savings. By using OPM, you can legally reduce your taxable income, mirroring the practices of high-net-worth individuals like Kiyosaki and former President Trump. In today's ever-evolving world, those who shy away from calculated risks may paradoxically be taking the biggest risk of all. Stepping out of your comfort zone is a fundamental prerequisite for seizing promising opportunities. Networking is an indispensable ingredient for success in real estate. Cultivating connections with fellow investors, seasoned mentors, and industry experts can unlock doors to lucrative deals that might have otherwise remained hidden. The quest for knowledge should be an eternal pursuit. As Kiyosaki aptly puts it, the single most powerful asset we all have is our mind. Continuous learning and growth are the hallmarks of those who achieve extraordinary success. Embarking on your investment journey early significantly enhances your chances of reaching your financial aspirations. Remember, it's not merely about how much money you make. It's about how efficiently your money works for you. In conclusion, never allow the lack of capital to hinder your dreams of financial prosperity. Armed with the right knowledge and strategies, you too can master the art of OPM and build substantial wealth within the real estate market. Always remember, it begins with financial education, a willingness to take calculated risks, and the unwavering determination to seize opportunities. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and activate the notification bell to stay ahead of the curve with our upcoming content. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next enriching installment.